start by exploring two fascinating phenomena in neuroscience: the placebo and nocebo effects. Placebo effects occur when positive expectations lead to symptom relief, even if the treatment is inactive. In contrast, nocebo effects arise when negative expectations actually worsen symptoms. Both effects highlight how our beliefs and emotions can shape our physical experiences, especially with pain. Recent research has shown that these effects are not just psychological tricks, they can have real measurable impacts on our bodies. Understanding how they work is crucial, not only for scientists but also for clinicians aiming to improve patient outcomes. In this video, we'll dive into a new study that directly compares the strength and persistence of placebo and nocebo effects in healthy individuals, revealing some surprising results about the power of negative expectation. Researchers designed a rigorous experiment involving 104 healthy volunteers to compare placebo and nocebo effects on pain. Participants underwent a conditioning procedure using heat pain and sham electrical stimulation, where colored cues signaled whether pain would decrease placebo, increase nocebo, or stay the same control. Importantly, the actual heat stimulus was kept identical during the test sessions, so any changes in pain ratings were due to expectations, not physical differences. Pain intensity was measured immediately after the expectancy manipulation and again 1 week later. This within-subject design allowed scientists to directly observe how positive and negative expectations influence pain perception over time. The findings: both placebo and nocebo effects were present, but the nocebo effect, driven by negative expectations, was consistently stronger and more persistent, even after a week. Why are nocebo effects stronger and longer lasting than placebo effects? The study suggests several reasons. Evolutionary psychology proposes that humans are wired to pay more attention to potential threats, a better safe than sorry strategy. This means negative expectations, like anticipating pain, are more likely to stick and influence our perception. Brain imaging studies support this, showing that our brains process negative information more readily than positive. Experiment also found that recent experiences, such as feeling more pain after a negative cue, predicted future nocebo responses. Psychological factors like anxiety or the perceived competence of the experimenter could further amplify these effects. Ultimately, the findings highlight the need for clinicians to carefully manage communication and expectations, as negative suggestions can have a surprisingly powerful and lasting impact on patients. Implications of these findings are significant for both research and clinical practice. First, it's clear that nocebo effects are not just the opposite of placebo effects, they are driven by different mechanisms and can persist longer. This means that negative expectations, if not addressed, can undermine treatment outcomes and even lead to higher healthcare costs. Clinicians should focus not only on harnessing positive expectations, but also on minimizing negative ones. Simple strategies like positive framing, building trust, and avoiding unnecessary emphasis on side effects can help reduce nocebo responses. For researchers, these results underscore the importance of monitoring both placebo and nocebo effects over time. By understanding and managing expectations, we can improve patient care and make treatments more effective.